Hi, welcome to Mangings.tv. Have you ever wondered how long Glow Glue shines? Google says it can glow up to 10 hours. So let's put that to the test. Okay, I have 3 brands of Lure here from Extreme Tackle, PK Lure, and one from Live Target. The preparation, and here it is when I was charging this using my high powered headlamp for 30 minutes. This is immediately after charging for 30 minutes. After 10 minutes. After 20 minutes, live target is almost gone. After 30 minutes, live target is invisible by the camera but still noticeable by the human eye. PK lure and extreme tackle are barely hanging, but the live target is completely gone. 50 minutes, glows are pretty fade for PK lure and extreme tackle. After an hour, camera can see it but still visible to human eye. Hope fishes see it too. After 10 hours, only PK lure and extreme tackle are detectable by the human eye. So there you have it guys. Conclusion, I would suggest to charge it every 1 hour for 5 minutes at least. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Shout out to Sir Benson, Gianan of Pinoy Anglers Group. Keep it tight lines mga master. Bye.